Namaskar, I'm welcoming you all on my channel Professor Talk. Before I start with my topic, I just want to say thank you so much to all my loyal subscribers and the new one. Share my content, let help me to grow this channel, encourage others to subscribe and support. Okay, let's move on to the new topic. Who care about Africa? I don't, you don't, world doesn't care about Africa. Nobody care about Africa actually. When last time you had heard about any news from Africa? Mainstream media totally ignore it or give very little space, where the whole Africa cover larger land space in this world. So today topic is related to Africa. In Africa, if 900 girls got abducted, no one care about it. But in Europe, one president got slapped, it's all over in the news on global perspective. But in Africa, any leader got murdered, nobody care about. Do you know who is John Magufuli? John Magufuli was former president of Tanzania, a very beautiful country. And he died at age of 61 after COVID rumors. No confirmation how he died, but yeah, BBC added COVID rumor. And look at the date he died. Remember the date, 17 March 2021, 5 months ago. What about this one? Do you know this guy? Pierre Nkurunziza, president of Burundi. He died of cardiac arrest at age of 55. Cardiac arrest on 8 June 2020. It means year back and during pandemic. What about former Prime Minister of Ivory Coast, Hamid Bakayoko? Look at the Al Jazeera news. Ivory Coast Prime Minister Hamid Bakayoko died at 56 from cancer. And he died on 10th March 2021. Keep all the dates in the mind. Do you know Swaziland? Swaziland, now called Swatini, a very small landlocked country near South Africa. Ambrose Dlamini was Prime Minister there. And Ambrose Dlamini died due to COVID. He also died. At what date? 30th December 2020, during pandemic. But here is the interesting thing, one more. Look at this guy, Jovenel Moise, former president of Haiti, a very fragile country, very small country, currently suffering from earthquake. Haiti president assassinated in nighttime raid, shaking a fragile nation. He got assassinated. President of a country got assassinated. And date, 7th July 2021, just 1 month back. And here is the sixth person, Andry Rajoelina, president of Madagascar. No, he's not died, but he escaped the death. He dodged the bullet. Madagascar president targeted in assassination plot. Assassination got attempted on him on 26 July 2021. He narrowly escaped it. Well, you know what? Why I'm telling all these things? Why I'm discussing about assassination and death of different presidents during pandemic? It's a common thing. What's the point I'm trying to make? Some died from COVID, some died from cancer, some got assassinated. But do you know what was the common point between all these coincidences, all these deaths and assassination? There is one common point. Vaccine. Yeah, you heard right, vaccine. All these leaders denied the importance of vaccines, refused to implement the vaccine in their respective countries. Does it now sound like a coincidence? Coronavirus in Tanzania, the country that rejected the vaccine. Tanzania, John Magufuli. Burundi says it doesn't need COVID-19 vaccine, at least yet. Burundi president died too. Madagascar president Andry Rajoelina came under heavy criticism after saying weekend that he would not be vaccinated against COVID and was not in a hurry to roll out the jab to the public. He said he is not in the hurry to roll out the vaccine. He just dodged the bullet. Survived the assassination attempt narrowly. While the world scrambled to secure vaccine, 3 African countries have done nothing to procure it. Tanzania, Burundi and Eritrea. President and Prime Minister of all 3 not alive anymore. Haiti is the only country in Western Hemisphere without vaccine. And who was the president of Haiti? Jovenel Moise got assassinated on 7th July 2021. Does it sound like a coincidence? I don't know. I just try to connect the dots here. Rest up to you all. I have nothing more to say. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you're watching right now, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Support me. I will keep bringing new topics, new research work. Thank you so much for your support. Press the bell icon to stay tuned for more information. Thank you. Jai Hind.